Ka project Hariyali jangka Rotary Club na kebantaban Ïada Mariang da ka Thung Dieng ya ka bala sedang haus 6,000 arphoi. Mentau senam ru ka Rotary Club of Jowai bat ka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong kila Bteng biang ya ka project haka arpu pratar unai Thung 8,000 arpu ar. Rengkat ka jinga trelang ka dor barsnong kli terci West Giant Hills haka ba kila penlong ka jing Thung Dieng haki lightly ki school jangka ni ka snong ba kentup halum po sit SP school ka lom perdi SSA school bat ka lom ston SSA school. Ya kini ka project la yo jing rap na ka Mahindra Finance sebat mentau snem ki lai spatli ki tenrai Dieng bagi la penkre ki de ki Dieng so sudah. Hadian ka jing Thung Dieng haka jing lang lengkot ba penyada u Rotarian Samehi lalu President Rotary Club Jowai u Vivek Kumar Environment Scientist North Eastern Hills University uong baka jing Thung Dieng kamut baka penmentoy tang ya ubriu shimen Henry ya baro ki jat jing thau ba em haka perthai namar lengba ki Dieng niyo ya kale air ki jing bam bagi ba bon ki weipat ki jing don kam ubriu haka ju ka poru ka jing don ki Dieng kaya rap menang penbon ki jing thau ba em. Kumta u banjur halor ka kamram jong baro ki ba em haka perthai baha bashim ya kanu na ka Mariang ngidei ru ban penpai kela na ka banta ka jing mentoy jong ngihi. Kiwe bala ai kentien kentu kan pham bat jinga ro ekanika project Thung Dieng kentup ya u Dr. Vincent H. Darlong, retired Vice Chancellor ka Martin Luther Christian University, Rotarian EF Gatpo, MP HF Charter President Rotary Club Jowai, Rotarian SK Lato MPHF Director Community Service Rotary Club Jowai, Wahech Nong Klit Terchi, Kitbok Rambai bat kiwe.
Provide numerous benefits. Moreover, in this project, what is the most important thing that is we want to convey to all that whenever we plant a tree, it's not about just planting a tree and forgetting it, right? For example, when a new kid comes to our home, what we also great care and support to that very kid, right? To that very new addition to the family. Consider this plant that you have planted today as a new member of your school family, right? Take care of it. See it grow. When you see it grow, you'll get attached to it. And then that plant will not only support you in many ways, but it will also support a lot of living beings, living creatures at large, that will support the climate, as I have already mentioned, that will support the entire living system on this only planet where life exists.